Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the Autoleap to manage your auto repair shop. So, first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then all you have to do is to tap out Autoleap. That's right. And then you'd be able to see this first website. So all you have to do is to tap on this one. Then after that, you will be directed to this section. So as you can see at the top, we cannot see an option where we can sign up, but we have the start free now or the get a demo. So let's start with the start free now. Okay, so tap on this option right here. But of course, you can start a call to the receptionist, so you can talk to their sales and um, then after that you can input your details, so when you are approved to use their demo, then you'd be able to receive their email. Okay, but since we cannot really request for a demo as of the moment, and we are from the region currently that this tool is not available, but still I'm going to discuss to you and give you the different advantages if you're planning to use this tool. Okay, so here as you can see on the product section, for the software we have the shop management and the Autolip Air. And for the marketing services, we have the SEO services, website development, Google Ads management, social media marketing, and view all the marketing service section. So for the features, as you can see, you can increase the revenue, operate efficiently, real-time insights, and the delight customers. So for our shop types, as you can see, so we have the general repair, the tire shop, specialty and customs, mobile mechanic shop, the mechanic shop, the garage, the quick lube shop, the independent repair, multi-location, and the enterprise and franchise. So if you have a general repair, there's tools to streamline daily auto repair services. For the tire shop, you can manage the tire inventory, sales, and services with ease. So under the products, let's just go to the shop management. Okay, so the Autolip provides a complete automotive repair shop management solution for shop owners, service managers, and technicians to manage every aspect of their shop. So, designed to help you work smarter, not harder, and grow your auto repair business, all from a single, easy to use platform. Okay, so here, as you can see, you can increase in shop revenue, 10% increase in profit margins, and etc. Okay, so you can automate the shop workflow, so take control of your shop's operations and drive long-term growth from day one. So keep the tabs and repair jobs, ignition workload, and parts ordered in one single workload. And also increase the shop profits, so you can attach photos, videos, and notes with digital vehicle inspections to increase the approval rate and average RO value. So online appointments scheduled are synced with your shop calendar so you don't lose business. And instead of the personalized SMS email follow-up campaigns, and automate review requests to drive customers retention. Okay, so now let's proceed to the shop types. So I'm just going to discuss some of the types right here. So let's go with the general repair. Okay, so running a general repair business is not easy, especially estimates the customers and payments. Whether you're just getting started or scaling up with new location, staying organized is the key. Okay, so it has a faster invoicing, faster payments, so you can turn estimates into invoices with just a click, no delays, no extra steps. So email or text professional invoices and get approvals with a secure e-signatures. Sync the invoices, customers, and payments with QuickBooks to keep your books up to date, and accept the payments online or in person, whichever your customer prefers. And of course, build stronger customer connections. So send updates, answer the questions, and share estimates all from one place, and no more juggling between the tools. So capture and share photos or videos of the repairs via DVI 2.0 to help customers see exactly what their vehicle needs, and offer the flexible and convenient online booking and automatic reminders to reduce the no-shows in your shop. So you can grow your online reputation. You can send an automatic review request after every complete job via text or email. Now, let's proceed to our next shop type. So we have the tire shop. So, the industry leading tire shop management solution. So, the tire shop management is not just about tracking tire sales and storage, it is also about running a tight and fast paced business where even the slightest delay costs time and money. So the Autolip's intuitive tire shop software does everything for you. So built for shop owners, tire technicians, and specialists. The system brings everything into one single platform so you can save time, offer great service, and focus on growing your tire shop business. So you can stay on the top of your tire storage. You can know exactly where each stored tire is and which customer it belongs to. So you can use the tire storage stickers with vehicle and customer into info to stay organized during these seasonal rushes. So swap, relocate, or flag tires for replacement with just a few clicks, no more second guessing. So next, let's discuss the mechanic shop. So you can speed up the vehicle inspections, access the repair information, and stay on top of jobs with their easy to use auto mechanic shop management software. So you can build the customer trust, inspect every vehicle quickly with the best digital vehicle inspection system in the industry. Save time on each inspections with canned notes for faster reporting. Improve customer trust by sending transparent and easy to understand reports with visuals. So simplify the calendar and scheduling so you can drag and drop jobs, set priorities, and ensure every technician knows what's next. So plan repairs and coordinate pickup times that align with your customers' availability. Monitor the repair job's progress in real time and avoid delays with instant updates. And of course, keep your team connected. Access repair information, labor guides, and customer data from any device, tablet, mobile, or your desktop. Okay, so you also have the quick one click invoicing. So quick one click invoicing, send digital invoices directly to customers via text or email, and monitor the repair job's progress in real time and avoid delays with instant. So again, after an estimate is approved, the Autolip turns into a work order where job progress and technician time can be tracked. So overall, the Autolip is great for beginners because it simplifies the complex workflows, enhances communications with customers through digital inspections and approvals, and provides clear visibility into both shop operations and the financial performance. So it is built to replace spreadsheets and paper tickets with a modern digital system that saves time and supports the growth. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.